Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today to share my May scrapbooking store kit. We are just going to go ahead and get right into it. So first off, I will show you the upgrade kit. So this month is really super exciting because they actually have sent newer things in this collection. So actually I think we're gonna start with the big paper pad. So we got the full Paracel paper pad. It comes with 48 papers and they are medium weight papers. Now I never got the Meggy Holmes Parasol collection, any of it. So I was quite excited when I opened up my mailbox and saw this goodness. Like, it is so pretty. And it works out perfectly because the day that I found this, I was like really itching, or the day that I pulled it out of my mailbox, I was really itching to be crafty and to do something crafty. And so I was just trying to figure out what I wanted to scrapbook, what I wanted to do. And the day after that I got my kit, which I think I got this on May 2nd, and I think I'm posting this on May 4th, which is May the 4th be with you, the force be with you. So I have been following a new Instagram account called, oh, what is it? Now I'm totally drawing a blank. I think it's Get Messy Art Journal. It's at the @ symbol and then Get Messy Art Journal. I will leave a link below so that you can find it, but they're doing a challenge for the month of May where they have a new prompt every day. And today, the day that I'm recording this, which is May 3rd, their prompt was enchanted. And this kit, or this collection, Parasol, was the perfect for the prompt enchanted. And I was so excited when I found out that morning that that was the prompt. And then I was going through the papers and I found this paper and I was like, oh my god, this is like the most enchanted paper from the whole collection. So I definitely sat down and did an art journal page, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I used a lot of close to my heart stamps, and I used a lot of close to my heart inks and paint, and it was just so much fun. So I will post that art journal page tomorrow on YouTube, but I wanted to show the kit to you guys first before I started posting layouts. So then the upgrade kit comes with these 3 fun things: Simple Stories chipboard stickers, and it's from the collection My Story, which is awesome. Then we also get these adhesive gems, and they are from Studio 112, and I love these types of things. I think they are so fun. I'm like obsessed with sequins, enamel dots, and just whatever else right now that adds dimension onto a page. Then we got these 4 washi tapes. I think I'm actually gonna pull them out of here, maybe, if I can get it out. There we go. And I'm going to show you guys these. They are so pretty. I don't know if my camera will focus on them. We'll see if it will. It wants to focus on the background. But they are so pretty. Like, this is black and the flowers just pop off of it. This one is like a dark purple. Same thing, the flowers pop off. This one says, reminder today, remember, nice, soon, enjoy. And then this one is a cute little floral pattern. And if you know me, even a tiny little bit, you know I love flowers. Absolutely love flowers. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my washi tape in here along with that. And then I think also I am just going to start pulling out all of these stickers, so then when I go to make a layout this weekend or next week, it will be all ready for me and I won't have to do a single thing except find my photos. Well, maybe, if it will let me do that. That did not work, did it? Oh my dear goodness. That is kind of one thing that I hate about sticker papers, is they don't always do what you want them to do. So I might spend some time and take the sticky off of these just so they don't stick together, but we'll see if I have enough time to do that. But anyway, I hope that you guys are all having a great weekend. I think when I post this, I think it will be Saturday. So I hope that you're having a good weekend. I am spending the weekend with Ashley and 2 of her kids. The other 2 kids are off at their dad's house. And I think we're going to take Helaman out for dinner or breakfast. So we have to kind of figure out what day is going to work for us. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you are having a great scrappy weekend. I will see you next time. Bye.